I have a very important rule I live by. I don't mind being cold, I don't mind sleeping on the ground, and I don't mind being hungry. But I only do one of those things at a time. So tonight, I'm eating like a king. My blanket got a little wet from the snowstorm, so I'm just drying it out. Also kind of makes a nice little windbreak in my back. All right, let's test the beans. Nice and soft. All right, we're gonna put that right on the coals. Just like the bread, the coals are gonna stick to it while it's rare, and once it's cooked, the coals will fall off. That is good prime rib.